Wow, Brady, I really like your parade. Can you tell me about your parade that you made?
They're celebrating how they won the with George Washington.
Very nice. Very good. Luke, what do you have over here?
A parade that they're celebrating of George Washington when he won the Army.
Very good. Very good. How about you girls over here? What are you creating? Ooh, Isabel, what's that on the back of your float? A flag. That looks like a nice flag. Very good. Grace, what do you have?
A parade for George Washington when he died.
Oh, I see. And they were honoring him. And how about Storm? What do you have?
A car that is driving like this, and the American monster truck, and a float with the American flag on it.
Wow, I really like that parade. That's very nice. Lots of American things. Kennedy, what do you have?
A pretty Christmas party.
Oh, very nice. Okay, I like what everyone made. Good job, boys and girls.